Ebi Asem George or call Bekache president. FB a DSTV Asem ho. I'm a president. I continue say be a DSTV for 84. But that's a media personality, no dear. Who offends hand information. You can go there and open the president's eye about that issue. Say, Adiana Muye no man sha. A bed driver because if say price control system you we economics we invest any price control system.
Right, I'm the logo go artist na ha Ghana Asem TV. You best subscribe to the channel and never want to share about conversation. I was for DSTV for any Sam George. I was in Sam inside. I don't know why Sam George Eddie this DSTV Sam Eddie disturbing Ghana has it. We have a lot of things that are not going on well. MTN band don't turn us. Sani amana yina Vodafone utwa na bandano bandano say chimshimo yenim and those are the things that we want you to tackle but won't tackle no. DSTV na nkofo na omo scan omo no betuma kwa akoto. Enti say me and I say nkofo na omo fi wo constituency ahi nipa dodo se na wo constituency a obetumi ato sa DSTV no. Enti we don't know why you are so eager fighting over DSTV whilst we have problems in this country. Ghana Blaster Bobo last Accra Sports Stadium. You couldn't want to me a Ghana TV station back who pokra shows how much. You couldn't do that. And the only thing you think about is DSTV you only and they have reduced it, they have agreed, and DSTV to come and tell us no, we have not agreed. The question you have to ask yourself, say, you are comparing Ghana to Nigeria. The popularity, the number of people living in Nigeria is not the same in Ghana. What I say? I was here for Mama Yanko said ya. Ghanafuo can find some way, nearby able to us.
Ebi Asem George or call Bekache president. FB a DSTV Asem ho. I'm a president. I continue say be a DSTV for 84. But that's a media personality, no dear. Who offends hand information. You can go there and open the president's eye about that issue. Say, Adiana Muye no man sha. A bed driver because if say price control system you. We economics we invest any price control system demand and supply.
Sure.
Any free economy near the year. It's a free market economy near the year. Say DSTV or the only can on subscriber.
Correct.
You always can acquire. What is your how to say? The only can no free so. It's when you are the Obayama say nipa omu go, shenipa oma fa omo because I've worked there before. I was on a Kwaba Magic. So I was, you
remember sometime I told you, sir, I had opportunity of watching you on
many Dr. Likey. Oh yes. More. Go and see the multi-choice house. Ghanafuo. What are you talking about? At the end of the day, no, so say,
nothing.
You can do nothing.
So, giving the opportunity to ask the president a question based on what you are saying,
they should trade consciously because at the end, a demand and supply. At the end, no, Ghana population in Nigerian population, so what be away economics, when say population, it matters. Prices are different. A in America for a producing Yama China. Because say ukona uko produce wa dia wa China, adia ba ko say full way na u produce wa America. Na say 1 hour ube to $20. China the whole day ube to $1. Obviously ye entrepreneur be a advantage. It rather no what they call China no kwa ko produce wo ho. If you say labor e cheap. Because factors of production, no, what share the cost and what they calculate. It is a product to be free China bar. The same product here in Ghana ain't the same price. Because raw materials are Y0u use no China use their produce they have the advantage economy of scale but I won't mean yanesa won't mean for Nigeria for the now farm compare a Ghana because the population nipa best subscribe
and there are different factors
sanity enti say ubi bi kwa na aba na mo kan ye wo ba bonten na wo ye press conference na wo kan we enya mfata. Now I said you want to prove something. I said who person would say who you be.
So you have wished with that particular issue, no Krano. diplomacy should have played.
You go to the maintenance. Oh, a subscription na mojeno and profunti a dini betimi aye. Okay, monfa a niama mujina so. Ah, mudi ayamo pricing system no. Monfa e mameniama moshe. Who, if there is any way, say impose taxes are dia to sono, and we the government, because we have to take some taxes off her. Diplomacy. But enye akakabensem chair, by your press conference, betcha say, who you be, who person will prove it to who. At the end of the day, you are destroying the business. Who more the wrong tack? Go and see more to choice. Ghanafuo mugwa omuyejuma. Sika omutu omukamuba bangu wetimi etua. Sika omutu ya na me say I have worked for them before. Eti wenya DSS obesum na the Biana Minister of Communication ti or man na dia here when it comes to communication. Ebi ni DSTV for subscription price and answer rate and answer cost. And no need your priority. Adia private do onu betimi na kofa. Do onu betimi na kofa. Their own team in a one fat. A demand and supply. Price and their own team weapon. It's where you are DSS, a whole government machinery. A yamu priority. It makes not say a general a press conference. You cham who sent now we can now where the press release now where a whole minute just a move for this one a private organization. Yes, Ultimately, I wasn't surprised. Ghana's ambassador to South Africa can't say abino. Because he a my private sector and he expanding. Now yet you quite anymore, and you see now you find a dear buy you know quite fast so eka.
So he feels his posturing was even.
Oh, that is bad. Then it's a press conference. Then kasa will bosu journey. I don't know. And what and for young kosi baby. And at the same issue when it comes to Debbie Amekase, when it comes to radio. Sure. Stations na ye tutututum na ye Asem ba ye say bi illegalities ni ade no mejitum say radio station bia we have to do better obia wo hese wodi mraso wo hye say niema bi da ba bi da but prof say be a radio station bi because yes a radio station
sure
na e bia memfa ne say ade na obusu no enye ade bia ebe costo ade bia che say hu bruso na yen nipa ya employ omu organization ho eno ne se owner no ne sense krache yen Ghana ne yepese promote na mokoso na mo fa nipa adwuma se nipa tenkwa ne afa mo ha eti ebia mo frequency no e ko obidiem enti machine na mo hia samo esem ko because your machine ayeto ma obidiem ko obidiem ena mo ntimi afford a we can even assist you no ma ye na ama bibia da yi because aniema na omugina so say radio station we busu nti akwakotom no prof ye di bi kire wa
no but akosia me I don't the problem I have with them is that most of our radio stations in Ghana here are politicized, are owned by politicians. And of course yes sir NBC and when they come they try to look at radio stations belonging to the New Patriotic Party. Owners.
Said they be ombegunu.
Said they be ombegunu.
And no, me can say a
and the reverse is also true.
Prof, into how long, Prof? How long? Any a bayan sa? Yanfan say, "Women, Prof, women say a NDC simple. Na say a MPP radio station. Na say a NDC radio station, MPP radio station. Whoever our beba power no." They are still Ghanaians.
All right, and
I still now, Prof, or my employee nipa.
No way.
Or my funny page.
Sure.
Because who are buying on ultimate funny page.
Sure.
It's young in a way. Anti Prof, a radio station, a MPP radio station, a NDC radio station, you are common goda.
There be.
Woman Ghanafuo, to a come and goda. And you be a betty miaka, and then you see a person a boost to private sector. And then you see a person a peja woman. It's a young look beyond sa politics no near who said no at the end of the day no a human say Gina no more funny pabia jumanti near my baby crown or machia yen tinets near moi if there's an excuse in getting yet dear tomb near money pabe 20 women kukufi na comedy will be a radio station at the end of the day the prof year 2 mono I ban the taxes ben when you're free sika ben when you're free wo nya she almost nipa so akwa kogufie it cost 90 jo it when me prove what I will say me wo power no at the end of the day when I suffer
I go and share beja kwan but you are a woman
me that
and see given the opportunity so we share president in there question ben pan obebisa ebe border on the development of the woman in Ghana.